And now I have as good as done with the sport. The next is the 11th order, explaining the duties and functions of the magistrates contained in the list of the prime magnitude, and those of the hundreds, beginning with the Lord High Sheriff, who, over and above his more ancient offices and those added by the former order, is the first magistrate of the Phylarch, or prerogative troop. The Lord Lieutenant, over and above his duty mentioned, is commander-in-chief of the musters of the youth and the second magistrate of the Phylarch. The Custos Rotalorum is to return the yearly muster rolls of the tribe, as well that of the youth as of the electors, unto the rolls in emporium, and is the third magistrate of the Phylarch. The censors by themselves and their sub-censors, that is, the overseers of the parishes, are to see that the respective laws of the ballot be observed in all the popular assemblies of the tribe. They have power also to put such national ministers as in preaching shall intermeddle with the matter of government out of their livings, except the party appeal unto the Phylarch or unto the council of religion, where in that case the censors shall prosecute all and every one of these magistrates together with the justices of the peace, and the jurymen of the hundreds, amounting in the whole number unto 66 are the prerogative troop or Phylarch of the tribe. The function of the Phylarch or prerogative troop is fivefold. First, they are the council of the tribe, and as such to govern the musters of the same according to the foregoing orders, having cognizance of what hath passed in the congregations or elections made in the parishes or the hundreds, with power to punish any undue practices or variation from their respective rules and orders, under an appeal to the Parliament. A marriage legitimately is to be pronounced by the parochial congregation, the muster of the hundred or the Phylarch, and if a tribe have a desire which they are to express at the muster by their captains, every troop by his own, a petition to petition the Parliament, the Phylarch as the council shall frame the petition in the pavilion and propose it by clauses unto the ballots of the whole tribe, and the clauses that shall be affirmed by the ballot of the tribe, and be signed by the hands of the 6 magistrates of the prime magnitude, shall be received and esteemed by the Parliament as the petition of the tribe and no other. Secondly, the Phylarch hath power to call unto their assistance what other troops of the tribe they please, by the elders or youth, whose discipline will be hereafter directed, and with these to receive the judges itinerant in their circuits, whom the magistrates of the Phylarch shall assist upon the bench and the juries elsewhere in their proper functions, according unto the more ancient laws and customs of this nation. Thirdly, the Phylarch shall hold the court called the quarter sessions according unto the ancient custom, and therein shall also hear causes in order unto the protection of liberty of conscience, by such rules as are or shall hereafter be appointed by the Parliament. Fourthly, all commissions issued into the tribes by the Parliament or by the Chancery are to be directed unto the Phylarch or some of that troop, and executed by the same respectively. Fifthly, in the case of levies of money, the Parliament shall tax the Phylarch shall tax the hundreds the parishes, and the parishes shall levy it upon themselves. The parishes, having levied the tax money accordingly, shall return it unto the officers of the hundreds unto the Phylarchs, and the Phylarchs unto the exchequer. But if a man have 10 children living, he shall pay no taxes. If he have 5 living, he shall pay but half taxes. If he have been married 3 years, or be above 25 years of age, and have no child or children lawfully begotten, he shall pay double taxes. And if there happen to grow any dispute upon these, or such other orders as shall or may hitherto be added hereafter, the Phylarchs shall judge the tribes, and the Parliament shall judge the Phylarchs. For the rest, if any man shall go about to introduce the right or power of debate into any popular council or congregation of this nation, the Phylarch, or any magistrate of the 100 or of the tribe, shall cause him forthwith to be sent in custody unto the council of war. The part of the order relating unto the rolls in emporium, being of singular use, is not unworthy to be somewhat better opened. In what manner the lists of the parishes, hundreds, and tribes are made hath been shown in their respective orders, where, after the parties elected, they give account of the whole number of the elders or deputies in their respective assemblies or musters. The like, for this part exactly, is done by the youth in their discipline, to be hereafter shown. Wherefore the lists of the parishes, youth, and elders, being summed up, give the whole number of the people able to bear arms, and the lists of the tribes, youth, and elders, being summed up, give the whole number of the people bearing arms. This account, being annually recorded by the Master of the Rolls, is called the Pillar of Nilus, because the people, being the riches of the commonwealth, are as they are found to rise or fall by the degrees of this pillar, like that river, give account of the public harvest. This much for the description of the first day's work at the muster. Which happened as hath been shown, to be done as soon as said, for in the practice it is of small difficulty. So requires it not much of time, seeing the great council of Venice, consisting of a like number, begins at 12 of the clock, and elects 9 magistrates in one afternoon. But the tribe being dismissed for this night, repaired unto their quarters under the conduct of their new magistracies.